Hi grade 11, Teacher Patrick here. So for February's digital homework, I am going to talk to you about punctuation. Now we know there are lots of different punctuation marks, but specifically what I'm going to be looking at covering is the apostrophe. Now the apostrophe, it's the comma that lives in the air. Okay, so we know we've got the comma, which is down below, which helps us to identify and separate different words or categories that belong to one another. Okay, so as I said, the apostrophe is the comma that lives in the air. Now, there are two uses that we can use for the apostrophe. Okay, we all know the very first one, as I said, is to help us to show missing words, okay, or missing letters rather. So, when I am trying to join two words, is not becomes isn't, was not, wasn't, I am becomes I'm. So, the apostrophe in these three cases, right, takes the place of the O in not for isn't and was, and it takes the place of the A for I'm. Right, so that is the apostrophe when we're using it in terms of replacing missing letters. Now the other use for the apostrophe that we get is for possession. Right, so now what do we mean when we're talking about possession? Okay, it's when we are trying to show that it belongs to a boy or a girl or a group of boys or a group of girls. Okay, so let's have a look at these examples. Right, the decision of the boy. Okay, it's a boy. So we're looking at singular. So in this case, the boy's decision. Okay, it's the boy's decision to make, not anybody else's. He's looking for a new phone, so it's up to him what brand of phone he would like. Okay, it's the boy's decision. Right, so in this case, we have the apostrophe after the Y, in between the S, because we're showing it's still in singular. Okay, it's the boy's decision. Right, the choice of Naz. Right, in this case, we're now talking about Naz as a person, a boy or a girl. It's Naz's choice. Okay, so now we're putting on apostrophe S. Okay, so Naz's choice. And the last one, we're now talking about the teacher of the boys. Okay, in this case, it's not singular. We're talking about plural. So there are multiple boys in this case. So it's two boys or more. Okay, so in this case, like with the boy, we added on apostrophe S. We already have a YS because it's now plural. So we just need to add on an apostrophe to show that it is still the group of boys, and we're referring to the choice or the group of boys. It's their teacher, the boy's teacher. Right, so again, just have a quick recap. Okay, singular, we get apostrophe S. For one person, the choice Naz becomes Naz's, and for a group of boys, okay, we just add apostrophe. We don't put apostrophe S. All right, hope that helps you, and I'll see you again for our next video. Thanks, bye.